Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm looking at a project that used a little different stain than what we're used to using here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This home actually belonged to a customer we worked with probably 6 years ago, and since then they've decided to sell the home and move to Wisconsin and build something a little smaller, a little different. And anyhow, the new owner has hired us to sandblast it and restain it with this Perma-Chink stain called Midnight. And anyhow, first time we've ever used a dark color like that, and it turned out pretty nice. We've got a gloss finish on it, and had to do a lot of caulking on it that failed over the years, and it was a good thing to do all the extra caulking, because when the caulking leaks and the logs start to decay, they start to turn dark or black. And obviously, if we've got a dark stain on it, we're not going to be able to see anything like that happening. So this was really good insurance to do all the extra caulking that we did on this. Used a couple of cases to get it all done. But like I said, considering the color choice, it's going to be difficult to spot any decay in the future. So it was good decision. Anyway, it's turned out really well. Gotten a lot of compliments on it, and maybe we will do some more like it now. But we had to replace one log over here on this end, and you really can't even tell where that was. So anyhow, turned out good. On to the next job. Thanks for watching.